Remove the wire cover from the back of the stove. It's perfectly fine to use the cord from your old stove. It's heavy gauge, stranded wire that doesn't get flexed, and it's highly unlikely that it could be damaged. I'll state the obvious, connect the cord with it unplugged. On the stove's terminal block, you'll see a black wire and a red one. Those are the two hot wires. You'll see a white wire, and that's the neutral and the ground on a 3-prong setup. For a 3-prong setup, you'll need to make sure there is a strap that is fastened to the stove's body and it connects to the neutral terminal. Check the factory's work and make sure that each one of the terminals are securely connected to the wires. The two outer conductors are the hot connections, and the center one is the neutral and ground in this setup. You'll need a clamp to secure the cable, and if it won't fit in the hole, just take a pair of pliers and squeeze it shut. Use a screwdriver to pry the clamp open so that you'll fit the wires up through there. Feed the cable through the clamp. You might have to give it a gentle squeeze with a pair of pliers. If there's not enough room to feed the cable up through the hole, there's a knockout. And this is my old bracket from my other stove, but you'll see this raised area. You can take a pair of pliers and grab that and pull that ring out and then make the hole bigger. Connect the two outer hot conductors to the red or black. It doesn't matter which one you connect to the red or black. They just need a hot connection to each one of these hot conductors. The center conductor on the cord is always the white, which again in this setup is going to be both the neutral and the ground. So the center conductor was a little short, so I had to push up on the cable, get myself a little more slack. This is important. Get some good light and ensure that each connection is tight. None of them are loose. A loose connection causes arcing, and eventually it can cause a fire. I've snugged up each terminal about a quarter turn, or maybe a little more, with a ratchet. You have a little bit better leverage than with a nut driver. Again, you don't want these coming loose, but you don't want to over tighten them. And then the final step is to tighten up the connector. The cable shouldn't wiggle inside the hole of the bracket. Now in the case of this manufacturer, the whole bracket does flex a bit. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos, and thanks for watching.